What have I just heard? What have I just witnessed? I was simply following the crowds. People from everywhere, Jerusalem, Judea, and across the Jordan. They came to see this man, this rabbi, this teacher. His name, Jesus. But he was different. The things he said, the way he said it, the authority with which he spoke, something was different. He thought things I've never heard of before. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Who is this Jesus? Could he be the promised Messiah? The one descended from King David? Is this the king we've been waiting for?